The 2022 IEEE Global Humanitarian Technology Conference, GHTC, will take place at Santa Clara University from September 8th to 11th.
So, Joseph, what did we just hear? What was that synthetic human? What was she talking about? I want to hear the process of how you created her.
It is a video caption of a live person, but the script that we use can be matched up with the avatar or the person's speaking. And because the script can be easily translated into multiple languages, so it's much more efficient. And we can actually also pick avatars of people of different ethnicity. So as a global humanitarian technology conference, we can basically do one script and be able to translate into multiple avatars in multiple languages of the people who are interested in attending this conference.
Well, it sure makes promoting what you're doing with the conference a lot easier, doesn't it?
Yes, there's the point, because in the past, when you actually do a live video of somebody talking about the conference, first of all, the person has to be multilingual to be able to speak in different languages. But in this case, with artificial intelligence and machine learning and the translation capability of cloud computing, this can be all done automatically and much more efficiently.
And literally, it's just writing a script and putting it in the program, huh?
Yes. So to capture the person, actually, there's about half an hour of script reading to capture all the facial movement, the lip syncing, and after that, then the technology will match up with the actual script, so that when the avatar starts speaking, it almost seems like it's a live person speaking to you in the preferred language that you choose.
And these have been trained by real people, though, right?
Yes. Yes. These are real people.
So, and I do find it a little bit ironic because this is a humanitarian conference and you have a bot kind of promoting it. So is that irony lost on you? Or
No, actually, it's about this conference. And when I started volunteering, this conference started in the first one is 2011 and started helping out in 2013. I look into humanitarian conferences. There's many of them around the world solving hunger, climate, but the Global Humanitarian Technology Conference, the thing is, this is kind of the only conference that really highlights the technology and inventions that people come up with to solve various humanitarian challenges. So I think utilizing the avatar with AI and machine learning is a way that basically is to deliver the message that not all of us can be everywhere and speaking all different languages, but we still can accommodate to be a little bit more personalized for each of the person's background, ethnicity, and their preferred language.
And so from an ethics standpoint, IEEE is very, that's a tenet of IEEE, I would suggest. So, the ethics of using synthetic avatars and stuff, is that something that's discussed, or?
My involvement with IEEE started when I first moved to the Bay Area in 1996, getting involved with a lot of the PC standards. So we have the Standard Association of IEEE that help a lot of the, basically put together a lot of different industry and different organizations together to standardize, for example, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and that becomes ubiquitous. So the challenge for ethics for AI is at a certain point, right? Because if there's no rules and boundary, how do you know the robots or the AI algorithm is doing the right thing that is ultimately designed for? IEEE actually has an initiative. I think there's a committee putting together various workshop and discussion around ethics using artificial intelligence. So I welcome everybody to join that committee as well.
Excellent. And the conference itself, anything you're anticipating that will be a really cool thing that people should come here to Santa Clara University to see firsthand?
One thing that's really interesting for this year is IEEE has a truck called the Move truck. It's basically a data center on wheels. So it has been going to various places that experience disasters like flood, hurricane, where they lost communication, and the truck will get there and get that communication set up right away and be able to bridge the time when the local telco company is trying to get their communication back up. And the Move truck will be coming from San Diego. Currently, it's in San Diego for another IEEE conference called the Vision Innovation Challenge Summit. and it will be coming up to Santa Clara University in September.
Well, that's really cool at DCOW. I look forward to seeing that. And Joseph, great catching up with you, and good luck.
Thank you very much,
Thanks.
Phil.